Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video on my channel, and today I am going to show you how to fix this issue you have when you're going to buy any product from Origin, and I'll also explain why. So let's start with this error code and this message. So according to this, you are having problem with your payment method. Of course, according to a lot of people, this did not happen with the same payment method before, and sometimes after you have changed your payment method. So to fix this, what I did is a lot of attempt, of course, but I'm going to show you exactly the way to fix it. Here you can see I have failed a lot of time. Finally I did it. So how did I do this? So in my case, I was using PayPal to pay for it. You can see that I have bought something. Of course, that's the demo. And here, this is the one that I finally completed. Now to fix this, first of all, make sure that you are trying it on a different program. For example, if you're trying on your PC and it is not working, try it on Chrome, and this will not work for a lot of people. So what you do after that is go to your account in ea.com and go to your region setting, and here make sure that your region is actually selected and the location, selected the location of your payment location. For example, my PayPal, which is my payment method, has a billing address of United States, so it should be United States here. If it is some other location, you have to choose that location here. Then you have to pay. Now you are going to say it did not work. If it doesn't work, close your browser, restart your PC, clear the cache, and if you do have problem with clearing the cache, uninstall Origin and reinstall it, because it does have something with the cache. So after that, open up your Origin. After doing all the settings, go there, then again go back to this. Here you have to go to the payment method. For example, I have a payment method added here. If your payment method is added here, remove it. Once you remove this, you have to go back to Origin. Then after that, search for the item. For example, here I am going to just any of these. Currently I'm using Premiere. But if you do want to buy it, just go buy it, and then when the payment shows up, select your account and then buy your item. Once you select your PayPal and click on pay, it will not show any problem on this client. And that is how you fix this issue. Thank you for watching. I hope you like it, and I'll see you the next time, and hope you can buy it just like I could buy it at the end of the day after so much bullshit. See you guys later.